out. That means within just a few seconds, you lose the engagement and attention of 95% of your traffic. That results in a loss of leads, a loss of sales, and most importantly, a loss of money. When you are not actively engaging visitors on your site, you are losing money every single minute. Hi, my name is Brad Stevens. My partner Ankur and I had the same problem on our websites, and we decided to fix it once and for all. We've created Vid Engage, a completely unique solution that lets you engage your visitors no matter where they scroll down on your website and bring their attention back to you. Want to see how it works? Just scroll down and see what happens. You'll see a smaller version of this exact video will appear in the bottom right corner, and it will stay with me the whole time. Vid Engage is active on the site right now, and it's helping me keeping you engaged with me as I talk to you more about this amazing solution that we have created. Whether you have a WordPress blog, sales website, lead gen page, or any kind of website, by adding video to websites,